One of my favorite things is cinnamon syrup. We're going to make some today. You're going to start out with 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, a teaspoon of vanilla, and half a teaspoon of maple syrup. Now, if you don't have maple syrup, you can use just a maple flavoring. I happen to have this pure maple syrup, and we're going to use it. Alrighty, going to turn our heat on medium. Bring this to a boil. Okay, I have the sugars beginning to melt, and it's just becoming to a boil. I'm going to let that come to a boil, turn my heat down, and continue to boil it on low for 8 minutes. Okay, it has been 8 minutes, and you can see that our syrup has turned clear. We're going to leave that cinnamon stick in there and let this cool, and then it will be ready to use. We'll then take the cinnamon stick out before we pour it onto, say, a pancake or a waffle. But we're going to serve just a little bit of this onto my apple pie French toast. You might check out that recipe. Thank you.